Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix screen time not working on your iPhone. So let's get started. Now, there's a couple of reasons why it may not be working, so you want to follow all of these steps. First thing you want to go is into your setting and then go into screen time. And for some reason screen time isn't working, just simply click on where it says change screen time, or basically this option where you can turn off the screen time passcode. Go ahead and turn it off by entering your current code. So we're going to enter that in, right? And then that will go ahead and turn off the screen time password. And then we're going to go ahead and click on this option. And if you had content restriction setting turned on, I recommend turning it off. We'll enable it later on, but then you're going to want to go ahead and click on screen time password. And then you're going to set another, again, a passcode again. Try a different one maybe if the original one wasn't working. That way you'll go ahead and re-enable it. And if you want a recovery password, you're going to go ahead and enter your Apple ID password so you can reset it if you ever need to. And after you have done that, right, you want to provide the email. It should work for you. Now, if it's still not working, the next thing you want to go ahead and check out is going to be your actual settings themselves. So if you want to go ahead into your content restriction and this time turn it on, and then it's going to enter for a pass code that you set up, and make sure it is turned on just like that. And hopefully it is working the way it should for you. Now, if it's still not working, the next thing to go ahead and do with your iPhone, it's going to do a force restart. So in order to do a force restart, you're going to quickly press and release the volume up, and then quickly press and release the volume down, and then hold on to this side button just like that. Again, all I did is quickly pressed and release the volume up followed by volume down before holding on to this big side button. Now it's going to slide to power off, but do not touch that. Just keep on holding that side button just like I am until you see the Apple logo appear again. That's going to basically shut down the phone software, reload the code. So if it's a software related issue causing screen time not to work correctly, it will go ahead and fix that for you. Now, this method will not delete any of your personal data. And if it doesn't work the very first time, keep on trying it. It does take a few tries to get the hang of it. It's just simply volume up, volume down before holding on to the side button. Now, after doing that, the next thing you want to check out in your settings, it's going to be in the settings, general. You're going to check out date and time. The reason why you want to check out is that you want to make sure the local time and the date matches to your zone that you're in. Sometimes if you're moving around, like traveling, or if you're away and this time, date and time is not correct, screen time will not work correctly. So you can go ahead and basically make sure that is correct here. Now, if it's not correct, you can manually turn it on and off as well with this option here. It's not letting me right now, but you get the idea here because screen time is turned on. So if I go back here, I'm going to go ahead and turn off screen time for a moment here, turn that off, enter the passcode, and then you're going to go back here into general and then date and time, and you're going to turn that off. So let's go ahead and try that one more time. Turn that off and then turn off screen time passcode. We're going to go ahead and turn that off, right? Make sure there's no restrictions. And then you're going to go to general, same exact thing, date and time. Again, you want to make sure to turn that off, and then you can manually set it if it didn't work for you, if the right time isn't correct. But ideally, you want it to be automatic. Now, after you have done that and it's still not working, go ahead onto the next setting is make sure you're connected to the internet through your Wi-Fi or cellular data. Sometimes if it's not turned on, you need to be connected to the internet for screen time to work correctly. Along with that, and the next thing you want to do in your settings, go to general, go all the way down here where it says transfer reset iPhone, click on reset, and you're going to do reset of all the settings. Now, when you reset all settings, none of your data will be deleted, so all of your photos, videos, apps will still be on your phone. It's just the settings themselves, which again is going to be network related settings. If you have Bluetooth connected devices or Wi-Fi, you'll need to reconnect again. Any keyboard, dictionary settings, any home screen layout custom ones will get reset, and any location privacy settings will get reset. And that's kind of necessary to do this if you're having issues still with the screen time not working. Now, after doing a reset of all settings, and the last thing you can do is go ahead and update the software on your iPhone by going to settings, general, software update. And the reason why it is sometimes previous update might cause the phone to not work correctly or screen time to broke. And if there's a new update, you want to click on update and update your phone to the latest version. And one last solution I recommend you might want to try is signing out and signing back into your Apple ID. So from your Apple ID here, just click on sign out. You're going to sign out and then sign back into the same account, and then go back into screen time and make sure that it is turned on again. And from there on, you should be able to get screen time working again. And I hope this video was helpful. So please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.